Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome slim and tone flabby arms. All right, you're going to love it. We have 5 great exercises, so let's get into it. First up, we have small arm circles. All right, you're gonna make the shape of a baseball bat, so it's very, very small. Your arms are nice and strong and tight. And if you want to work more on burning those back rolls, you're gonna go backwards. All right, if you wanna work more on firming your chest and getting rid of that broad bulge, you're gonna go forwards. All right, so go ahead and choose which one you'd like to work on today. Just move with intention and engage the entire body. You're standing strong. All right, your core is nice and tight. As Mare likes to say, every exercise is a core exercise, all right? So everything's engaged, all right? Firm arms, very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Awesome job. We have 2 more sets, so you can do forward 1 and backwards the other. Go ahead and have fun with it. Next, we have snow angel crossovers, all right? Palms are facing forward. Strong arms are gonna come up. You're gonna cross over here at the top, overhead, coming down, and then repeating, crossing the other one forward this time. All right, such a simple movement, but when you're engaging your muscles, really squeezing, all right, taking your time, not going too fast, it's really gonna do the trick, okay? Standing strong, very good. Breathing, tucking in that tummy, tucking in that core. Very good. You should be feeling it, even in just this small movement. All right, you should feel your muscles starting to burn. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out. Very good. Going on to unicorn taps. Back of your hands facing each other, and you're going to tap, 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 tap. All right, very small movement here. Strong arms. Awesome job. Make sure you're not scrunching, all right? So push those shoulders away from your ears. And then you go quick, 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 quick. Breathing. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and releasing. Awesome job shaking out those arms. Next, we have a bicep hold flex, all right? I got this from one of Mare's videos, one of Mare's old videos. I had to bring it back. You've seen us do our bicep holds, but this time we're gonna really focus on the flex, all right? So you're holding it out in front of you, even more so, not so close, all right? And just focus on squeezing your muscles, all right? If you're just holding your arms out here like this, you're not really gonna feel anything. Boom, isolate, all right? Isolate your arms, all right? And squeeze your biceps, all right? Pretending there's even resistance there. So like you're holding something heavy, all right? Very good. Tucking in that tummy. I just caught myself relaxing, but hey, it's okay. Sometimes when we focus on something, we lose sight of our other, the other parts, but this is a great exercise to tune into your body and focus on engaging everything, even though we're just standing here still. All right, I'm sweating already just with these little movements. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job. Last but not least, we're doing some tricep crisscrosses, all right, behind you. So arms come back, and you're going to crisscross your hands behind you, making sure that you're not hunching forward to get back there. So boom, roll those shoulders back, straight spine, straight back, and then focus on those crossovers. If you can't cross over right now, that's fine. Go ahead and just separate and bring together, all right? And over time, you'll get more flexible and you'll start being able to move a little bit closer there. Very good. If you need to, go with the straight back forward. You can do a little bent over position, but just make sure you're not hunched over. So if you want to hinge your hips, keep a straight back, and do it like that. If that helps you move a little bit more, that's fine. Find what works for you, but just remember that proper form. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very, very good. Set 1, done and dusted. We're gonna go right into set 2. Big breath. Awesome job, starting with those small arm circles in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and tight, strong arms, good posture, and breathe. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Right into our snow angel crossovers. Moving with intention. Very good. Let's go. Squeeze those muscles. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. Fill those lungs. So important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. And 3, 2, 1. Keep those arms up there for unicorn taps. Let's go. Quick, quick, quick. Press those shoulders down. Nice, elegant neck. Very good. Burn, baby, burn. Starting to feel it. You got this. Push through. Challenge yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Arms come down just for a second. Right up to bicep hold flex. Give it your all. Really squeeze. Very good. Pretend you're holding something heavy. If you want to do some pulses, go ahead, try some pulses. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms out to the back for tricep crisscross. Let's go. Straight back, chin up. Almost there. You got this. And 3, 2, 1, release and celebrate. 2 sets done and dusted. We're not done yet. Just one more to go. Big breath. Nice and tight. Strong arms. Good posture and breathe.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Right into our snow angel crossovers. Moving with intention. Very good. Let's go. Squeeze those muscles. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. Fill those lungs. So important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. And 3, 2, 1. Keep those arms up there for unicorn taps. Let's go. Quick, quick, quick. Press those shoulders down. Nice, elegant neck, very good. Burn, baby, burn. Starting to feel it. You got this. Push through, challenge yourself. You can do anything you put your mind to. Very good. In 3, 2, 1. Arms come down just for a second. Right up to bicep hold flex. Give it your all. Really squeeze. Very good. Pretend you're holding something heavy. If you want to do some pulses, go ahead, try some pulses. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Arms out to the back for tricep crisscross. Let's go. Straight back, chin up. Almost there, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, release and celebrate. And there we have it, my beautiful people, our slim in tone flabby arm workout without weights. Small little movements that make a big difference. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, what videos you would like to see more of. Where are you tuning in from? We have people from all over the world. I love, love, love to see it. I'm here in West Palm Beach, Florida. My family is from Brazil. They do the videos too. Let me know where you're from, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.